Good day everyone, I am Sheldel Yamuta and for today's vlog, I will be presenting an innovation strategy in the field of hospitality and tourism. The business that I choose is an eco-friendly beach resort. This resort focuses on providing relaxation, comfort, and at the same time, promoting environmental sustainability. Nowadays, tourists are not only looking for beautiful places, but also meaningful and responsible travel experiences, and that is what this business aims to offer. My innovation strategy is the use of smart ecotourism system. This system combines technology and sustainability to improve both customer experience and business operations. For example, the resort will use QR code based check-in so guests no longer need to wait in long lines. A mobile app where customers can book rooms, order food, and schedule activities anytime, and solar-powered facilities to reduce electricity consumption. Because of this, the resort becomes more modern, efficient, and eco-friendly at the same time. This innovation is important because technology is now part of people's daily lives, and integrating it into tourism makes services faster and more convenient. This innovation falls under different types. First is process innovation because it improves how services are delivered, especially through digital systems. Second is product innovation since it introduces new features like eco-friendly facilities and smart services. And lastly, it is also considered incremental innovation because it enhances existing services rather than completely replacing them. This classification fit because the innovation focuses on improving both the systems and overall guest experience. I choose this innovation strategy because it provides many advantages. First, it improves customer satisfaction. Guests can enjoy faster services, easy bookings, and more comfortable stay. Second, it increases competitiveness into this generation. Tourists prefer businesses that are modern and environmentally responsible, so this gives the resort an edge over others. Third, it solves industry problems such as long waiting times, inefficient processes, and environmental issues caused by tourism activities. And lastly, it supports sustainability by using solar energy and reducing paper and energy waste. The resort helps protect the environment while still operating efficiently. Overall, this innovation responds to both customer needs and global environmental concerns. In conclusion, the use of smart ecotourism system can greatly help the success of the business. It not only improves the quality of service but also attracts more customers who value convenience and sustainability. By combining innovation and responsibility, the resort can stand out in the tourism industry and create a positive impact on both people and the environment. Once again, I am Shelo Del Yamuta and thank you for watching.